So here we have the Volkswagen Golf 1 litre TSI SE Match navigation on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. You can see in the middle the total miles for this car are 8,243. You can change the information that's displayed above that by pushing buttons on the right-hand side of the indicator stalk. You've got various different bits of driver information, including the digital readout for the speedometer, which you can see there. But there are a few menus aside from that: satellite navigation, audio, your phone, for example, vehicle status, and then back round to the beginning again. Those buttons that I was using are these ones down on the right-hand side here. As well as that, we have voice control for your phone. Hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you pair the phone, which is done on the central screen, which we'll come back to in a moment. We also have cruise control over here. This button will help the car maintain its own distance between you and the car in front. It uses a kind of radar system basically to slow you down and speed you up to maintain, as I say, a safe distance. Very, very clever system. The main screen over here is where we can pair the phone, amongst other things. So on the radio at the moment, you can see this car's got DAB digital radio as well as FM and AM. In terms of other ways to listen to your music, there are loads, which you can see there, including CD player, SD memory card slots. Once you pair up your phone, you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, as well as making and receiving phone calls. And with regards to the phone, just hit that and search with your phone to pair it up. It's very, very easy. The satellite navigation on this car, we have a full video showing how that works on our website and our Facebook page, which is well worth checking out. This car also has a full colour reversing camera, so you can see I've just put the car in reverse. You've got the full colour image and the guidelines showing you where the car would be headed in relation to the image that you see on the screen there. Working our way down, we've got the air conditioning, so you can select the temperature from here, fan speed with this dial, direction of the air over here, and then simply press that button to turn the air conditioning on. Similarly, back off again. Inside this section, we have the auxiliary and USB inputs to connect up your music device. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox. This button will turn on or off the front parking sensors. Putting the car in reverse will automatically turn the rear ones on. And then over the left-hand side of the gear lever, we have this button. That's to turn off the stop and start. So this car's designed to cut out when you're stationary in traffic. If you'd rather not use that system, hit that button and it will turn it off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.